Try taking my time, but the clock too fast. Obstacles blocking the progress. Try to stay high, but the high don't last. Consider it part of the process. First I'm up, then I'm down, I can't call it. I carry my baggage, I haul it all. Burning blunts and drowning alcohol. My midnight Molotov, I'm losing my balance. Think I'm falling off, somebody catch me. But all I got is love to give you, plus I ain't that heavy. Will you let me tell you about my problems? I just need you to hear me out. It ain't on you to solve them, but shit, my wallet is empty, so is my soul. My niggas is with me, still on my own. Black on the TV, losing control. The little nigga lost, like I gotta get home. It's dark, I'm alone. Get got on the phone. Why's he taking so long? Think he put me on hold? The fuck is he on? Got my battery low. Say, I'd rather overdo it than
yeah, Mario Karting our shit right now.
Yes, sir.
Call you Mario.
I'm smoking weed, man.
Oh. Got your headlight on him. Oh, he's... Oh!
Nasty, bro. He's nasty with that.
Oh, shit.
It's the headliner right here, boys. Oh, your left gonna fall out soon.
That looks sick. That'll be definitely the thumbnail. Gas station? You gotta go to gas.
It's a good call.
Yeah, I might need some gas too. I'll get some. Might as well. Might as well be on the safe side. Just hopefully no 5-0 pulls up. Andy, keep your eye out on 5-0 for me. I'm a little low. I'm like half.
So they're taking 79th all the way back to the lake.
It's a long ass ride. I got a dope ass shot of you guys like next to each other. That's definitely a thumbnail for the video. It's like you guys like this. This shit looks sick. Alright guys. Take it easy.
Later, broski.
Which way we head now, boys?
Shit, I live on 79, so I might take 79 home. 79 to Roberts.
I'll take 79th with you to Central. Andy! Oh, that wasn't bad. Got a little scared on that one. You definitely look like you got scared on that last one.
The last one, yeah, I got scared.
You should stand on the pegs a little bit.
Huh?
You should stand on your pegs.
Oh, hell no.
And just give it a little bit, just because you'll be able to hold it easier.
Now we're here.
change, or plotting on ways to monetize all of my pain and shit in the game, or maybe it is, depending the way that we play, cause life is a bitch.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Look at that fuck.